Hello, I want to show for you 4 model drum filter what we have now. This 35 cubometer for 1 hour, 25 cubometer for 1 hour, 10 cubometer and small 5 cubometer for 1 hour. $35, $25, $10 and $5. 5,000 liter can clean, 10,000 liter can clean for 1 hour, 25,000 liter for 1 hour and 35,000 liter for 1 hour. This is our drum filter what we make now. Pipe 60 milli, 5 and 10, 60 milli, 2 water come inside and 2 outside. 25, 2 pipe 90 come inside and 2 come outside. And 35, 93, how you see, water come inside and 3 go outside. Yes, you can see same 3, 2, these 2 and 5 have 1 this and 1 this and this pipe for water already cleaner go outside. Our drum filter. If you have some question, you can write for me or our group about the filter. And custom design we make one filter, biofilter. You can see. This someday and we this send for customer biofilter for 25,000 liter. Yes, he connect together with this machine 25 and work same tandem together. Now we make our factory have small this filter, mesh filter. This we connect mesh. I have video, another video. You can see how he works. This is small, not automatical, just mesh. Okay, this all our filter. Thank you. Or we can